So who do we have here? Ian Poulter?
Ian Poulter.
What?
Eat your heart out. I'm gonna rip your ass too.
Who are you playing today, Ian?
I'm playing Griffin and Steve Freehouse. Their ass is grass.
Huh? You got somebody to help carry you?
Actually, I'm going to play John Griffin and Stephen Freehouse today.
You realize that there's a 14 club limitation when you go on the golf course. Otherwise, you get penalized.
I do.
You want to count them up there?
Well, I'm taking out 2 out of the 3 putters that I've got in the bag.
You have 3 putters.
Well, I was doing a putter test on my practice round, and I finally settled on a putter for this match. I'm going to take out the 5-iron because I do have a 5.
When was the last time you hit a crisp 5-iron that bore into the wind?
It's not been in this decade.
No need to carry that.
I'm going to take out the 6-iron because it looks like it's brand new. So obviously that one's never been.
You never saw a need to take it out on the course.
Never saw a need. I'm just more of a wedge and driver guy.
All right.
So I'm going to keep the 7, 8, 9.
All right, let's count them up right now.
And I'm going to take.
Count it up.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to take out the mashie as well. That's
all right.
That's about a 18-degree club I will not hit. So we've got 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.
12. Excellent.
I can add something back in?
Nope. Nope. I'd travel light if I was
1,
you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Perfect.
Is that good?
You're done. Are you ready, Ian?
Come on. These boys, these chaps, no problem.
Parksy, make sure you keep him in line today.
He's letting me drive. Bad decision.
At Hickory Knob. We come here every year, much to their disappointment. Huh? Shakima.
Good morning.
Who are you playing today?
I can't remember. I'm playing with Shine against whom I do not know.
Hang in there, it'll become clear as the day goes on.
Yes, it will.
Out there, Dave.
The rock and root rule. A ball that comes to rest in rocks or roots so as to endanger a club player may be placed in the nearest safe area of play, no closer to the hole, with no penalty incurred.
I love it.
The leaf rule is if it is determined that a ball is lost in leaves, a ball may be placed at the point of entry into the leaves with no penalty.
Ooh, where's rule number 3 about the catfish?
I love it. Okay, am I ready to go?
This is in Spanish.
Oh, okay.
No.
We're not gonna hit it off the rock. We're not gonna buy a new club. This.
I ruined the club here.
Yeah, I ruined the 5-iron here. This contest doesn't rise to low.
All the way from South Florida, in for the Catfish Sushi Wars.
FTC, baby.
All right, buddy. Give them hell. Well, damn it, I got here too late. I just missed 2 of the best golf swings out here, I'm sure.
So, how many mulligans we get? Set the rules. One mulligan between the 2 of you.
Oh, man. All right. Now in the tee box, Ian Poulter.
I'm doing this for my countrymen in Africa.
We need to get out of here by 4 o'clock
I like crowd.
I'm used to it. Did you hear that?
I like crowd noise.
I'm used to it.
That's a strange rule.
What are all those leaves doing floating down that pond over there? I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I know I'm 50 yards off the fairway, down in the gulch here, but there are leaves down here.
I'm gonna take a free drop up around the fringe.
Yeah, I'm right here on the edge.
Great. Damn, you go for the fences, bro.
I'll hit him in the back of the head. That won't hurt.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta go hit a few.
There's some balls laying over there.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
You too, Craig. Same to you, buddy. Just don't let me see you laying down the course doing some of these freaky things. I did that yesterday.
That's probably Griffin's drop.
I'm going to do it every 4 holes. We didn't get you next day.
Are you going to do it on the top of the hill?
Yes, on the green there.
Play good.
Where'd you get that little Peter head there?
Peter head.
Well,
Born with it.
At least the morning will be long.
those your legs, you come riding in on a chicken. Yeah.
Does chick not have on a fuck the catfish head off? No. Are you mellowing in your old age?
It's all about the tatas this morning.
I like tatas too.
It's a little like I'm disconcerting playing cards.
So I'll let you borrow it. About 6 holes. All right.
Oh yeah, buddy. Good ball. You guys are ready.
Okay, great.
You have Griffin's number? You might call ahead to see if he picked it up.
My phone didn't work out here. I was thinking about that, but I can't call him.
Do you have AT&T?
Do you have
I have
Griffin's number?
AT&T.
No, I don't. All right, Freddie, bust a good one.
Piece of cake. Fred has Verizon. I don't have my phone.
Oh well. You think you're going to hit another one?
You play Mulligan?
They all did, yeah.
Oh.
Video.
Who you guys playing today?
Two dickheads.
What kind? Do you expect it to?
I hope you get
But I know we're
sense of this
dickheads.
thing.
But do you expect it to go down to the 18th?
Sushi
Is it going down to the 18th?
Oh yeah, it's going down to the 18th
Okay.
and they're going to choke.
All right.
They're going to choke
Then
big time.
you're going to get it, dickhead.
On the tee. The captain.
Captain of the fish heads. Good thing you got a partner.
All right, turn it off, Craig.
Okay, the sound you just heard of the ball going into the trees and woods, it was not really a sound.
Just that
head. Don't you think you got the weights right?
There's the Hig I know. Okay, I don't know how to turn this off, Rick.
Just hit that red button again.
That's in mind. When I came up with that rule.
We could just book.
All right, Shine.
Get him, fall.
Oh, baby.
All right, let's go.
All right. Yep.
Out in the wilderness having a bonfire. Fred Nort, Steve Freon, and all the way from South Carolina, Shine Bone.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
And there's Wild
I'll be
Bill.
representing Paul's Island.
Amen.
Yeah, thank you.
And we having a bonfire? We're actually going to cook steaks on there.
Yep.
We're going to have a fire? You guys collected a bunch
We got enough. It's so
All
bad.
the way from Atlanta, Georgia.
It's so bad we're going
Bubber,
to leave it.
who's your favorite baseball team?
That's still the Braves.
You know what's funny is when they did that infield fly call and everybody started. My wife.
The left field fly rule.
Well, my wife was there with two girlfriends,
Uh-huh.
and they were in the right field stands, like the second or third row, and got showered.
Oh,
Beer
with the debris?
Coke. Oh God, she just drenched. She just. And they, when was that? Was like seventh inning. They had to say the rest of the game. Like
That's
that.
right.
Yeah.
He did the same thing as Florida. He looks like a world beater in the first quarter, and then he didn't do anything the rest of the game. Manziel.
Yeah, what do they call it? Johnny Football?
Like, do you need this anymore?
He was
I'm gonna
missing
run it
wide.
Let me get you guys before you fall.
41. I was 41.
Oh, well, that's gonna be a good one.
I mean, that's
Oh, you took it?
But it's not.
Yep. Play 13 hands and that's it, and go home.
13 is more than I planned for.
12.
12, 11, that's fine.
You play 11 times, it'll be 11 losers and 1 winner.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Let's see who can stay up at 2 o'clock.
And then whoever that person is gets all
Takes it all.
Hey, you haven't got my money yet, but I'm in.
Yeah, when you're in.
I'm in. I'm in.
This many people, it's
Just be friendly down there.
All I said was he had
You
two.
have all three different.
All right, give him his last.
Wait.
50
Did you say whiffs or whiffs?
57. It's 57.
I'm good. I got 20.
Griffey, you're probably right, aren't you?
They are thin. They're
2, 4,
What game can you play with this many people?
5.
Texas Hold'em.
5-card stud?
I hate that. Big gloves.
this many people, it's
Just be friendly down there.
All I said was he had
You
two.
have all three different.
All right, give him his last.
Wait.
No, I
That's your second.
Somebody needs to say shut up and deal.